Scorpio, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 23 to 29, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan. So, promote ko lang ang Scorpio bracelet na nag-a-align sa energies ng mga Scorpio. Meron tong smoky quartz, citrine, at black obsidian. So, this is available sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. So, let us begin. Scorpio. What's up? October 23 to 29. You have the 8 of staves. You have the 2 of staves. You also have the 7 of vessels. And the 5 of pentacles. Some of you are confused. May times na parang hindi mo alam kung ano ang pipiliin mo. Ano yung, kung saan ka ba talaga dapat. Alam nyo, normal lang yun. May mga ganun. Ito yung tinatawag na imposter syndrome, na minsan, you feel like, is this really what's meant for me? Ito ba talaga yung, destiny ko? Yung mga ganun. Ito ba talaga yung life's purpose ko? Sometimes, things are confusing. And, dahil doon, pag nawawalan tayo ng focus pag ganun. So pag nawawala tayo sa focus, hindi tayo masyadong nagiging productive na pwedeng maapektuhan ng ating mga finances, yung productivity natin. So for some of you, Scorpio, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo ganyan yung pinagdadaanan. Some of you naman, pwedeng merong tulong, no, na darating for you para makapag-desisyon ka ng tama. Let's say, like a friend will give you an advice or some clarity, you will gain some clarity on which path you really want to take. Yeah, tingnan nyo, the Chariot. This is clarity. Tingnan mo yung sun. Ayan o. Tapos may moon pa siya dito. So, moon is about your instinct, your intuition. So, it seems that, alam mo naman kung ano yung best for you. Kailangan lang siguro na may boost from others na, oh, you're doing well, you're on the right path. Minsan ganun naghahanap tayo ng validation, confirmation, galing sa iba. But as long as you know what you're doing, you believe in yourself, naniniwala ka sa sarili mo, nothing else matters kung ano yung sasabihin ng iba, whether tanggap nila yung ginagawa mo or not. It doesn't matter as long as ikaw tanggap mo yung sarili mo. Okay? What is the 2 of staves? The Hanged Man. Yung iba sa inyo nagkakaroon kayo ng new perspective sa buhay. Mas lalo kayong nagmamature, no? Na maaring yung iba, madalas kayo magpa-apekto sa sinasabi ng tao, although hindi nyo talaga totally pinapakita sa reality, but deep within you, like, emotionally, you are affected. But I think, in this decision making, the moment na you tap into your instinct, your intuition, what you really want, you will be led, ililid ka talaga sa best for you. Mother of Wands, yes. This is having the courage to choose. Minsan kasi maraming options, diba? And sometimes, ayaw natin na makapili ng hindi best for us. Okay? That's why nagtatagal tayo kasi natatakot tayong magkamali. So, itong Mother of Wands energy is your courage, yung lakas ng loob mo na pumili ano man yung magiging resulta nun. And there's power in it, no? Yung sabihin yan, ano man yung piliin mo, yung decision mo, as long as you are connected to your instinct, as long as alam mo yung ginagawa mo, it doesn't matter kung ito yung mag-fail or magiging successful because you know sa sarili mo na that's what you want. Na pumili ka. Kesa yung hindi ka maka-move forward because you are stuck in overanalyzing things. What is the Five of Pentacles? Grabe, clarify rin yung Five of Pentacles. Like synchronistic. Some of you are challenged sa finances ninyo. Pwedeng merong mga, humihingi ng tulong, or meron kayong kailangang mag-extend ng effort when it comes to finances. Kaya siguro yung iba sa inyo parang iniisip na hindi ako pwede magkamali. Ganon. Hindi ka pwede magkamali kasi pag nagkamali ka, maapektuhan ka yung productivity mo. Like, let's say the opportunities around you. Don't worry, Scorpio. Second house, moon in Taurus, exaltation. Exaltation is like being so happy in a situation. So this week, you will realize na tama yung decision mo kasi nagtiwala ka sa decision mo. You have Mars and Aquarius in the 11th house, and ipaglalaban mo, paninindigan mo, ano man tong decision mo. See? You have this principle. So this is this is Jupiter in Sagittarius in the 9th house. Pagpapalaganap or pagpapalago ng iyong kaalaman sa buhay. I think meron kang lesson when it comes to your finances. Importanteng life's lesson to. Na pwedeng merong taong umiwan sa'yo sa ere. And dun mo na-realize kung sino talaga yung mga kakampi mo, sino talaga yung dapat mong pagkatiwalaan. May good luck for you, Scorpio. And iba sa inyo, ang inyong spirit animal ay horse. Kasi meron din dito yung chariot, may horse. And this is a horseshoe. Picture. Pleasure with a close friend. Meron kang close friend na very supportive sa'yo. Okay? Yes. Work, achievement, success. There is success. Stepping into a new experience. See, there is a new experience na mararanasan mo. The moment na magkaroon ka ng clarity sa gusto mong ma-experience. Okay? Sa gusto mong path na i-take. Let's say, for example, maraming pinto. 'Di ba? So, hanggat hindi ka nakakapili anong pinto ang papasukin mo, magsistay ka lang sa labas. Hindi mo ma-experience kung ano yung nasa likod ng pinto na yan. 'Di ba? But the moment that you choose, you maniwala ka sa iyong kakayanan, sa instinct mo, then you will experience something that is new to you. Kindness. What if being kind to yourself really could change everything? Yes, this is being kind to yourself. Hindi mo kailangan laging sisihin yung sarili mo sa mga failures mo before. Because lahat yon may learnings ka. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayo updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.